You're working 8 hours but still feel behind because you are doing some things wrong. You don't need to work harder, you need to work smarter using AI. Right now, you're everything doing manually. So, let me show you 5 simple tricks using AI that will save your time daily. First, emails. Most people take 15 to 20 minutes to write emails. They just think what to write in email. In this situation, just open ChatGPT and write or type prompt. Write a professional email for this situation. After that, simple edit 1-2 lines, check correctly and done. Send. Now email done in 2 minutes. Most people doing this manually. Second, planning your day. Most people start their day randomly and feel confused. Instead, ask AI, plan my day with this task and priority. Now just cross one check and follow the plan accordingly. No overthinking. This alone can save your 1 hour daily. Third, meeting. Most people go unprepared and waste time. Before any meeting, ask AI, what question should I ask in this meeting? Now you sound smart and confident. People will think you are very smart and sharp. Fourth, replying to messages. You start typing, deleting, and then typing again. So much confusion. Simple. Open ChatGPT, paste the message in ChatGPT, and ask, reply this politely and professionally. Simple, done, without any confusion. Just cross-check once before sending. Fifth, when you feel stuck, you don't know what to write, what to do, you feel very confused and what to do next. Then ask AI, give me solution for this problem. Instant clarity. This is like having smart assistant. Now imagine, same work, but 2 hours less effort every day. If this help you, then comment yes. Subscribe me for simple work tips.